BMW 1 Series 2011 to 2017. Hello everyone. The body of the car is steel, only the supporting beams of the bumps are made of aluminum alloy. The iron itself is very resistant to corrosion, but the paintwork is not durable. Sometimes even in warranty machines rust bubbles appear. In any case, when choosing a used car, check the case for possible damage. The regular windshield is also weak, which is also quickly rubbed with brush. Owners usually change it to a high-quality non-original from the Chinese XYZ, which once and for all solves the problems. Among the engine, petrol turbo 4s are most in demand. They were developed in cooperation with the PSA concern and are literally crammed with innovative technologies, which is why they are extremely demanding on the quality of fuel and oil. And yes, they are problematic. The main source appears in the cooling system, so already after 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers of run, pipes rust with an available frequency hurts the upper one, and literally after a few thousand kilometers the lower one. After that, wait for the imminent death of the water pump. And the first sign of stretching the timing chain, the engine doesn't start well and reacts lazily to the gas pedal. Immediately go to the series. If they change up the couple of teeth, the piston will meet the walls and you are guaranteed an expensive repair. But the turbo diesel is just a model of reliability. Although on the first machine some problems still occurred, for example with the timing chain tensioner. On this occasion the Germans even carried out a recall campaign. In 2012 the disease was completely cured, but when buying asked the seller if the car was subject to a revocable campaign for a free replacement of the shoe. In general, the diesel engine is durable. Only after 150,000 to 200,000 kilometers it may be necessary to replace the injection nozzles and the fuel pump, as well as periodically clean the intake manifolds fuel flaps. Regardless of the type of engine, it is necessary to clean the radiators every 2 years, and even install a protective mesh in front of them. They are very delicate at the unit. You won't spoil it with oil. And the 8-speed automatic does not annoy with breakdowns, but in specialized workshops such a service is 2 to 3 times cheaper. Independent suspension penny, front McPherson with aluminum levers and rear multilink provide precision handling, but it is distinguished by accelerated wear of the stabilizer struts and tie rod ends. In general, there are no frank problems with the charts. True, floating silent blocks, front struts and rear shock absorbers, which rarely withstand more than 70,000 kilometers, are at risk. Many people complain about brake pads that wear out quickly. The increased wear usually occurs in winter and in the off-season, when snow, sand and mud are packed between the pads and the disc, which work in the manner of emery. If a squeak appears during braking, it is worth washing the rear mechanism with a powerful jet of water. If you are haunted by the excellent driving performance and excellent dynamics of the BMW 1 Series, but beware of constant cash injection into its repair, choose a diesel modification and with any gearbox you like. Gasoline engines have become more reliable after the 2015 upgrade. If you have had such a model, share information about what and how it breaks in the comments.